Okay. Now let's see. This is my controller. I was creating save user. Okay, so where is my entity? This is my entity. And Lombok was not working. No? So this is also an issue. So we will do Lombok also. Remind me, the Lombok is not working. First of all, we will do all the topics, then we will do this also. Okay. Let me write on it. So we will not tell them. Okay. This is done. DTO is done. Okay. Response done. Converter, we are having converter also. Controller is done. Repo is done. User service. This also done. Okay. This I was doing. Okay. So let's do now. Okay. Let's do it. So repo. So in PAL we have to write now. So we are having repository. So let's do this. So I have to save the user. So first of all, I have to get that. Okay. So what I will do, I will say user is equals to. First of all, I have to create. I have to take converter also. No? So I will say private, and we will write logger. We will do a proper organized code. Okay. So don't worry. We will do everything nicely. Okay. Just remind me when I will miss something. Okay, like I have already told you all the topics which we will put in this project. So remind me that thing. Okay, so first of all, we need DTO to enter. So we will say DTO. User DTO. DTO. Uh, Let me see this class also what I'm doing. So user DTO, user. Okay, great. Okay, so now let's take the help of converter. So I will say DTO to entity converter. And if you guys are feeling uncomfortable in your STS now, I'm telling you one more thing. Install IntelliJ commercial. Okay. If you are feeling uncomfortable in that, install that. That is like good one, good idea. In that, if you are comfortable in IntelliJ, you can do that also. That is also one of the good ideas. Okay. Now you have your entity ready. Okay. Now let's save this entity. Before that, let me tell you one more thing. Now, if I will suppose you are giving a password 12345 6. Okay. So I will save that password in a database. Like the password is 12345 6. I will save it. But now anyone can get that password correct or not? Or it's a normal password which you are saying like 12345 6. That's not a good way. So how to save your password? Save a password in a form of encrypt and decrypt. Okay, do hashing of your password. So that you can do in your, which we say in your this Java. Okay, how to do that? Let me tell you. Okay, now you are having user. Okay, now what you will do, you will say user dot set password. Okay, and you will say bcrypt, BCRYPT. Okay, this is called a bcryptor, which will encrypt your password. Okay, bcrypt dot. Okay, I think bcrypt will not work. YG, but setter is not working. 1 second. Setter will take us straight. Okay, let's first of all I will encrypt now. So why the encrypt is not working? B C R Y. Okay. Bcrypt. I think for this now you have to install Spring Security. Then only it will work. Spring Security. Okay, we will do this later. Remind me. Okay, I will do that for you. Okay, we have to do because Spring Security will secure your application, your API, your everything. That's why people use Spring Security token, JWT, and all that stuff for security purpose. So when you will do security, I think in security you will get this predefined class, bcrypt and encrypt. Okay, so then we will do that. For now, let's save it. Okay, also we will modify this API. All the APIs will be modified. Okay, we will do a lot of stuff. We will do relationship also, JPA, Okay, and JPQL also we will do. We will do Hibernate query also, method query which I'm telling you. Right now I'm doing that also, correct? In my repository and things I'm doing it. Yeah, I'm having three methods. Okay. So what I will do, first of all, I have to see now whether the person is already present or not. So let's do one thing. I'll say if, okay, first of all, I will ask. I'll say optional. Okay, optional. Now let me tell you optional. What is optional? Optional will give you one protection. Okay, I will tell you that also. Optional is also Java utilities present. OB here, let's write OB. Okay, and I will say user reference dot find by ID, find one, find user by email, find user by mobile, by user by email or mobile. Now you're getting the options now. So this is what we have created, correct or not? Okay, feel free if you are having any kind of doubt. I'm telling you again. If you will not ask, you will not learn. Okay, never think like you are not getting it, so you cannot ask. You have my WhatsApp number. You can call me anytime. You can, if you are uncomfortable over here, you can ask me on my personal WhatsApp. Okay, you can ask me anywhere. But you have to practice. If I'm putting my efforts, I want to see yours. Okay, so now I will say if OBJ is present. Okay, if the person is already present in DB, what we will do? I will throw an exception. Throw new runtime. We will modify whole API. Runtime exception. Using I will say user ready. And then we will use constant. We will do lot of things. Okay, first of all, just we are doing this as a practice so that you guys will understand what how the things work. Okay, then step by step we will modify this. Next step will be, first of all, we will create the whole flow of user, then we will apply Spring Security, then we will create tokens. No, before that, okay. After doing API, third operation, okay, we will do logging. Okay, write down what I'm saying. We will do according to that. Okay, first of all, after completing this whole API, we will do logging. Okay, after logging, what can we do? After logging, Spring Security, then on the Spring Security left. So we will do Spring Security. After Spring Security, we will do tokens. Okay, we will have tokens. Okay, we will do token. How to access token, store token, and we will store token in Redis database. I will teach you Redis database also. Although you can use any database, although you can use MySQL also. Okay, but I'm thinking like the more I will explain you, not different things. MySQL you already know. You can create token table. You can save over there. But that is not a good thing, na. You should know everything. So I will teach you new database which is Redis. Okay, it's also in demand. So I will teach you how to store your token in Redis and how to use it. Okay, how to hash it, how to unhash it. Okay, we are having predefined classes also. Okay, then we will do this. After that, after doing token also, then we will do then we will do MongoDB. Okay, then we will do that. HRM. Okay, object, no HDM, object gradient mapping. Okay, if we will have time, these are the extra curriculum which I'm telling you. Okay, if you don't want, you can. It's up to you. Okay, if you want to learn, you can. If you don't, then your class will be over. After Spring Boot API, Spring Security class is over. Okay. Now I will teach you extra things. Then we will try to learn automatic mailing, scheduler. So we have lot of things. These are all one-day topics. So until the next class starts, we will do these things. Okay, so these are the base what we will do. So let's finish this quickly so that you can learn the more. So that's why I told you. Okay, don't waste the time. First of all, complete whole thing, learn everything. Okay, you will have all the recordings available. Okay, you can watch it and you can practice it anytime. You are having full day. If you are having doubt, you have my WhatsApp number. Okay. So let's do this. So I will say user repo. If the person is not present, then I will save it. I will say save user, and I want to return response. So I will, okay, I want to return response. No, so no need to throw it. Instead of that, in response, oh, no need to write this also. In response also, don't do anything. Okay. Let me do that. Let's write wallet. I don't want to give any response in the subject. Okay, I will give this response in a server. Wallet. Done. Okay, give me 1 second. Sonu, okay, guys. Okay, done. So I have created safe API, save API. Okay, this is also done. Everything is done, I think. Okay, now just I have to call that thing in a controller. That's all. Then we will test it. Okay. So now we save. I will do one thing. I say private. What was the name? User service. User. Service. User service. Try. Catch. Um, नाम से पानी बता दिया मैं स्टोर में लाना Wait, क्या कुछ बात Okay, now you will say user service dot what was the method name? Take user and you will take user as at the rate request body. Okay, REQUEST body request body and in the DTO you will take user DTO and user DTO. I will teach you a lot of things. Just you have to be focused, and if you are not getting it, let me know. Okay. Hello. There are a lot of things which you can learn. It's your learning phase, so don't be like how to do and what not to do. See, I am not getting my methods. Why? Response, 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 response. So what is this response? Message status. Why I'm not getting it? Response dot text message. Yeah, I'm getting it. Subject. Dot that status. Or here you can say response dot message failure. FAILURE. Response not set status bar. Return. Okay, this should be returning response entity. Now, what is response entity? I will tell you. Response entity. So, what is response entity? Do you guys know the status? 404, 200, 500, 401, 503. So this is called your status. Okay, so you have to use this one, response entity, and you will send the response, and you will say, okay, HTTP status dot okay. Okay, so we have created API. Now let's download the Postman. Okay, so let's write one thing. Okay, so write download Postman. One of the best tools for backend developers. Okay, it's getting downloaded. So now you guys tell me any doubt till now. Today I am not listening one voice. Is she not present? The that she okay. Are you getting it or not?
There. Yes, I'm getting, sir.
Your voice is low.
Sir, आज नींद आ रही है.
No problem.
Can I get the that download one, download link, that postman.com
Okay.
downloads?
Yeah. Or you can get.
Thank you.
Okay, in the chat I have given. I'm telling you guys, I have lot of things to tell you. Okay, there are a lot of technology. According to technology, you guys can use that tool. AOP, batch. Okay, there are a lot of things. There are a lot of tools. But if you are saying that, sir, it's too much, then you will not learn. Okay, everything is too much. So what you have to do, you have to take pen and paper and you have to write down the steps. That's what you have to do. If you will do that thing, na, it will always help you whenever you want that technology because we have already done that. Try to create the project according to that thing. Like if you are learning something like Spring Security, create a different project. If you are learning JPQL, create another project for that. Okay, create different projects. If you will put everything in one project only, you will be confused how to do that. Okay. One second. Okay. So I will help you whenever you need. But you guys have to give me response that you are learning. If you are not understanding that thing, different thing. If you are not getting it, different thing. Okay. I can also show you real-time project also. Okay, I have done. For that also, you have to know this technology. Okay. In real time also, you will do this thing only. But in a big scale. That's all.
So database, are you saying this is also a database, postman.app, right?
This is not database. This is a
Then?
tool which will hit your API.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
you can hit your API using two things, front end or by Postman. Both will be same thing. Getting it? Using
Yeah.
Postman also you can hit your data, hit your API. Plus using your front end also. Same thing. Okay.
Now, when
Same
you
thing.
adding data here, sir, after downloading,
You have to actually your voice is low. Can you repeat again?
will you provide data here?
Yeah, in Spring Boot, I will pass the data. Like I will hit my API.
Sir,
Right?
can you show the get request or post request in Postman?
Let it be downloaded. No? Just one second. I'm downloading it.
Mm.
Okay, now download it. But installing just a minute.
So you can use both. Like if we want to use front end, how can we use that? Just by
Yeah,
giving
for
the
front end now you have to write React now. You have to learn React now. In
you
that,
have to
yeah, because in React only you can send it, you can request for API, you can take response, you can make a view. React, Angular, or Ajax.
Oh,
Okay,
I've heard this. Yeah, thank you.
so that's why easily you can do that using Postman. I'm telling you, backend people use Postman. Try to go on YouTube and see what is Postman.
Yes, sir.
This is a golden tool for you.
So it's okay if you learn only one tool for hitting the API. It's not necessary we
Yeah.
should know.
Postman is enough for a backend developer. Okay, if you want to be a full stack, then you should know React first.
Okay.
Although I'm a backend developer,
Hmm.
like a full stack, but I work on backend.
Sir, what about microservices? It
Microservices
is
is a type of project. Right now, I am doing my project on monolithic architecture.
It's just a type of project where there are multiple
See,
projects
There are
and you get
multiple
the part
type
of
of
the
projects.
projects.
Yeah, there are multiple type of projects. Okay, let me introduce you. First one is your monolithic.
Hmm.
Monolithic means you are having one project. In one project only, you are having everything.
Yeah.
Service, controller, which I'm creating right now. Okay, this is called a monolithic. Another is your
Microservices,
multi-module.
You have explained this.
Yeah, I have already explained you. I'm explaining you again. Next
Yeah.
is your multi-module. In this, you will have different projects, and you will connect this project with one. I forgot password. Just 1 second, I'm doing login.
Spring Boot is about to be finished, right?
Hmm.
Huh?
Yes.
So how many more classes? 4 to 5?
Yes.
Okay. So,
1 second, I'm doing one thing. I have to log in.
yeah. Yeah, sure.
क्यों बोला? Now, phone कर.
Hmm.
Just 1 second, let me do this. Actually, now when you will download Postman, it will ask for sign up. So I already have a account, so and I forgot the password and reached the setting. As there are a lot of things, okay. Don't be like it's too much or lack of practice. If you will, and I'm telling you one thing, if you are not doing practice now, you will unable to do anything. So practice is one of the most important things. Now, I see if you know MVC knowledge, okay. ORM, okay. JDBC, okay. Spring Boot, you have to do. Okay. Spring Boot, if you are doing Spring framework, na, so Spring is a very demanding tool. Yeah. Very
Yeah,
demanding tool.
that's actually first thing, even in the interview,
Using
first thing they
Spring,
ask is
yes.
the spray.
Using Spring, you can do anything. In Spring, na, you have all the modules like you can send mail, you can schedule, you can work with Excel, you can read and write Excel, you can do anything using Spring. You can send message, you can make a call, you can do anything using Spring. Security also Spring provides. Okay, Spring security uses a module. Okay. So for everything logging also Spring logging you are having. Okay, now 4J. Sir, you can do anything using Spring if you know how to use it. Exactly.
So I forgot to tell you when you were talking about the database, right? That we have already connected the database, but we forgot to do the validations. You said when I will connect the database, remind me to do the validations also.
So yeah, okay, okay, yes. So write one more thing before security, write validation. Okay,
Yeah.
Java X validation, right?
Java.
X validation.
Okay. One more thing. Yeah,
If you
and
guys are
Lombok.
facing,
That's all.
if you are guys are facing anything, na, any kind of issue or regarding anything, ask me anytime. Sir,
That's all.
guys, 1 second, just I'm having issue with my phone.
Mm.
Fine.
Lombok also.
Lombok,
Yeah, Lombok. It's left.
yeah, Lombok also I have to see, you know, write
Yeah.
that also. Although Lombok is nothing, it's also not, I will teach you all. There I'm unable to log in by sample authentication system.
Mm.
If your browser is something, it will be active.
Mm.
So this is how your postman looks like. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How can you see it? I'm not showing it. Okay, this is your website. Yeah. Okay, I will show you Postman. This is a Postman, how it looks like. Can you see it now? Okay, so these are your APIs where you will create. Okay, this is workspace. You can create workspace also. Then I have created sign in. Again, it is asking for a sign in. Just 1 second, guys. Let me do sign in again. Okay, I will do sign in later. Okay, also let me show you how to get API. Can you see it?
No, sir.
So you will go see. I have closed. Everything is closed. Click on add. Go to first of all, go to APIs. Add. Okay. If you want to give any name, you can give get, post, put, delete, any API. I have created post API, so I will write post API. Now what you have to do? You have to write localhost port number 8080. Okay, and then you will write flash API flash. Go over here. API slash user slash save. Right? User slash save. Okay, this is the API. Now I am not using any Spring security, so no need to authorize or authenticate. Simple, go to body. Write raw, select JSON. Everybody know what is JSON? I think I have given you that speech also, no? How front end and back end communicate. You guys remember or not?
Yes, so a bit. Can you give a overview now again? Sorry.
Okay. So basically, how front end and back end people communicate. Okay, like front end people, what they know? They only know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, correct?
Hmm.
They create page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML is the design. Okay, CSS will create the page beautiful. Okay, it will make the page beautiful. JavaScript will make the page look alike. Okay, automatic image will be changing. Okay, and graphic and this kind of thing is done in JavaScript. Now suppose you have created one website, Facebook login page. Sir. Now I'm passing email ID, suppose XYZ and password 123. Now when I will say login, what front end people will do? Nothing, no, because we don't know who is XYZ. Correct? Getting it or not what I'm saying? You have created the
Yes.
page, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Using this, you have created one page. Now the person is trying to log in. He is saying that my email is this, password is this. So now what you will do? Front-end people don't know who this XYZ is. Okay.
Hmm.
So you know XYZ. Tell me who know XYZ.
Backend.
Backend people know. Correct?
Hmm.
Because they have database.
Hmm.
They have database and inside database they are having information. So how the front end people will take help of it, backend one? So they will use their framework, which is called React, Angular, or Ajax. These are the three frameworks available in front end. You can use any of them.
They will use what, sir?
Front end people will use their framework. Like we are having Spring, they are also having framework. So their framework are React, Angular, or Ajax. And this is also called JavaScript library. Okay. So you can use any of them, React or Angular or Ajax. Okay. So how they will send the data to backend people, because backend people can help them, but front-end people have to tell him that this is the email ID password, please verify the person is valid or not. So how they will send that information to backend. So using JSON object, they send the information. What is JSON? JavaScript object. Front-end people know JavaScript only. So what they will do, they will create the object of JavaScript and that they will put the information like this is the email, this is the password. And using the framework like React, Angular, or Ajax, they will throw that information to backend people. Getting it? They have created the page. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. They are having the information. They are putting that information in a box, which is called JSON, JavaScript object. And they are throwing that box to backend people using framework, whether React, Angular, or Ajax. Got it? Now, how backend people will catch that information? So using APIs, which is called a RESTful APIs. Using RESTful APIs, they will fetch the information. They will go inside a database. They will check whether the person is valid or not. If the person is valid, they will send the response that the person is valid. Send it to the login page. And you will send the information so that front-end people will create the dynamic page for you. Okay. How you will send the response using JSON only. Okay, Spring is saying that I will convert your normal string also in a JSON, so don't worry about that. Okay. So now there is one more thing. Now you have login. Now suppose you want to update your profile. So you will hit the API again. Then I want to update the profile. You are hitting the API because data is present in database.
Database.
You want to update. So again, I will not validate you whether you are a person or not. Getting it? You are hitting the database also. You are hitting my API. So I should validate you. So how will I validate you again and again? So when you will log in first time, you will give my email ID and password. Then what I will do, I will validate you. Plus I will give you one thing, which is called your token. Token means ID card. Token is like an ID card. In ID card, I will put all the information, like your name, your address, what is your role, responsibilities, whatever you need. And you will send that token to front-end people. Now, whenever he wants to do anything, and he wants to hit any API, he will send that token to me. I will validate that token, whether the person is having that responsibility role or not, whether he can access that API or not. Getting it?
Hmm.
So this is how your front-end and back-end people communicate. So there are two things how you can hit your back-end API, using front-end or using Postman. Okay, so I'm using Postman. I'm hitting the API. Okay, so I'm hitting the same API. So I have to give the body also, like what I have to say. I have to give the information also. So I'm giving that in the form of JSON.
Sir, I have it.
Huh.
So you said front-end people will validate the login page, right? Like using the Angular and all.
They will send the request using Angular, React, or Ajax. They will hit your API.
Okay.
Validation you will do in backend.
Okay.
So Postman will basically go first fetch the request, then hit the API, and then the API will go to the backend,
See,
right?
now what Postman will do, he will hit my API. Then I will do my task. Okay, what I will do, see, Postman will hit this API. Okay, and after that, let me start the debugger also. Okay, I don't know
For
how
what
to use
use we will
debugger.
use debugger?
Debugger, I will show you what is debugger. Okay, it's a very intelligent tool. Although I don't know about how to debug in STS. Let's see. Okay, this is if you will do no double click. This is called a debugging. Finally, the switch. Okay, so I will go in save. In save, I will go in implementation. They are in implementation now. Implementation. Over here, I will go over here. Over here. Okay, and then let's.
You got to select the things which you want to be debugged.
Where you have to stop.
Okay.
Okay, if you will not write debugger, it will not stop. It will directly send you the response. Now you can know. Okay, what and how it will work. I have to see how to do debugging in STS. Although I don't know it.
So the same way we do in the Eclipse also, when we want
No,
to use
actually,
debugger.
actually, I am mostly I use IntelliJ only. In this, I am using STS. Okay, I don't have that much idea of STS also. Although if you guys need, I can install IntelliJ also in this. Although my window is just debugging. Where is my debugging? Over here now. So now
So
let's see.
which one do you suggest more, STS or the intelligent?
Yeah, in which you are comfortable. Simple. I'm comfortable in both STS also and IntelliJ also. IntelliJ will give you simple, like good things also. Like it will provide you some things which STS will not provide. Okay, so first of all, let's hit it. So I have to give ID, which is auto-generated, so no need to give ID. Name, address, email, password, mobile, role. Okay. In role also, you have to define the role also. Now I will give the NM also. So I will write NM also. So role for now, role is member, member, and admin and super admin. Super underscore admin. These three are the roles for now. Okay, I will select member. So I'm having name, address, email, password, mobile, role. Okay, remember this. Name, address, everything. Okay, first of all is name. Name is suppose Rajesh. What was next? Mobile.
Address,
Suppose address is Gurgaon 112001. Okay, next
mobile,
is mobile. Field name should be same. I'm telling you, otherwise it will show exception. Okay,
email,
field name.
role,
This is the JSON object which you also get. Next was your
role. Sorry, password and then role. Yeah,
password. Suppose I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
and role.
Role was okay. R is capital. Okay, R. Always remember variable first name should be small. Okay, I have written capital. It's a mistake. I will correct it. Okay. Now see, I'm sending the request. Okay. See, I'm sending. Send. Could not send the request. See why? Send again. Let's see why I'm not able to send the request. Let's see. I'm having debugger or not. Stop and with the application.
Sir, one thing is missing. Uh, we have wrong mobile last to second. We got to use the mobile last to second. That's why.
But
See this?
no, you can. It can be any order. Okay, just you have to provide all the fields.
Okay.
Yeah, it's API/user/save dash localhost 8080. Okay, I'm getting error now.
Hmm.
Let me include. He is saying access denied for user lucky at the rate localhost. User password yes. Oh no,
Database error.
data loss. So let me see.
Application of properties.
Where is my application? There?
यही
Okay,
तो
this
था.
is not no MVP. JDBC MySQL localhost demo root. So got PRADO9. This. Yeah, it's correct. Correct. Access denied for user lucky at the rate localhost. Use password yes. Root. 1 second. Root and password also I'm correct. 1 second. Actually, I have installed Bugbench yesterday only, na, so it can have problem. Let me see. Just one second. Hey, Host is 127.0, 20.1. Username is unable to access the same ICP. SSL. SPM. Hostname. Hostname local. Let's do again. Okay. Now, let me bring up. Now I add URL. JDBC is local host.
We have to give server port here, Rajesh.
Although you will not give, no, it will work.
Okay.
Not working. Not agree. 3306.
So in the JDBC, see that says Java X persistent JDBC URL Hibernate over here.
It is not decline. Okay.
Sir, check if there
Minutes.
is any spaces after password or a name.
Your voice is
Space.
low actually.
Sir, check the spaces, if there any after the.
If you can.
There's no space here.
Although no, there can be one more issue.
Hmm.
There can be one more issue. There is my project. In entity at the rate entity at the rate inlet value. Okay. Now in repository. Okay. Although for safe case, let's write that. Although no need to do this, but let's write for safer side at the rate service. Okay. And everything is correct. Let's controller. Okay. Let's relaunch it again. Let's see. Although it's not locked. Database server. Section during metadata Java variable URL. Open connection URL.
Hibernate connection.url.
Okay.
Dialect.
Dialect. It can be a problem that he's asking for the dialect. Let's see. Let
Hmm.
me see the problem. Hmm. Data from URL site. Okay, again, I'm getting access denied.
Hmm. Same one.
Actually, nah, I have kept my database right now only, no? So I have to see why I'm getting this.
So maybe we should give dialect also as we used to give in the Hibernate.
No. Actually, no, in my database, no, I think localhost root at the rate.
Apparently has a lot of devices on board. What is sudo MySQL now? What's up?
But
What's sudo MySQL? Why is he saying sudo MySQL?
hmm,
Sudo MySQL. sudo sudo.
this was getting just one thing.
Okay. Mm.
Let's finish again. Although because
Do you have this query in the workbench or
repeat again, your voice is low actually.
Are you giving the query in the workbench? No?
Yes, yes, yes. The queries which I'm getting in Stack Overflow.
So Hibernate underscore statistics, what is this?
The case user number.
Sir, even in the second link, there are some more details.
Yeah, I was talking about dialog only. Yeah.
Yeah, the dynamic plot.
Yeah.
I was not having this kind of issue when I was working with my previous projects. All this because I have installed, I have been previous working now.
So several of time, even mine also give me this kind of error. So I used to write dialog and it used to go.
At the rate, every at the rate entity class which we declare or inherit at least one at the rate ID or inherit the rate properties. Have no identity. Okay, at the rate ID I already have. Okay, got it. Actually, no, got it. I think, I think it is because I am using this ID, which is not Java X. It's this one.
Oh.
Yeah, can happen. I'm having this issue, but I'm not getting that one now. Java X.
So fixed project setup, it will give you that
Yeah,
fixed
if you are not
project.
getting it, na simple, go to Google and have have it.
No. If you
Yes.
go there and they give you the fixed project last, it gives you Java X and both of the import ones.
When they give.
In the Eclipse only itself.
Don't think it gives.
Sir, can we give the ID and the access type also at the same time? Sir, we gave a at the rate ID and generate the type also.
Yes, yes.
Can we
So
give the
why are
both?
we using?
Yeah.
Sorry.
See, I will let me tell you. See, it is having this one, but we don't need this one. We need Java X. No, I'm not
So
getting
that's
that.
what I'm saying.
Yeah, what?
Again, go to in the fixed project and it will give you the Java X also over there only.
Where? Over here?
Go to the line there
Yeah.
and now scroll down in the that fixed project setup.
Mhm.
See, it will give you, it used to give me over here only, or like just the way Java and that one, it used to give me there only. It happened with me once, so that's why.
That's no problem. If you're not getting it, no, you have it. Dependency you have formed. Add it.
Yeah. So even in Spring Boot, we have to manually add sometimes.
Huh?
Even in Spring Boot, if we don't get anything, we have to manually add the dependencies.
Yeah, sometimes
Okay.
Java. Oh, it should be work. No, 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 it's too bad. It's not working. I will mess it up. It happens sometimes. If you're not getting error, it means you are not learning. So
Yeah,
although
that's
sometimes
true.
you should get it. You can actually do everything. Although it should give Java as because I'm using JPA, so it should give what. Let's see.
Mm.
That is not given. Now also it's not given. No, no, now. I'm not sure. Correct entity. And entity. Not having validation one. No, no, I'm getting the let's see when we come. Although
It's gonna give you the same error. It's gonna give me the same thing.
access denied again.
Mm.
In a Java, lucky at the rate localhost. It should be the root at the rate localhost. I have to see it will take time. Access denied again. Yes, denied. I don't know. When you are let's do again on MySQL user.
In the next link, they said if you are using a SQL Workbench, you can create a new user and give privileges to.
Okay. So he's saying you can create new user.
Yes, sir.
Although I already have the see I'm having root. That's strange. Again, host. I have to create new user. Where you are seeing the solution in this one only.
No, in the go back and there is a second link in the Stack Overflow in Google. Under that, he gave two options. I don't know whether it will work.
Or I'm having this and it's correct. Login also. Root to also. This also. Let's write root 2. Let's see root 2. Otherwise, I will see yours, okay? What you have said. We'll do that. Helpfully. Okay. So, where is my resource? Application. Root 2. Okay, now let's see. Now we are having this one. When we solve this one, that one comes. This is all. Okay, so what you are saying? Let's do yours.
I've
Over
s-
here. So you are
I've
saying
sent you-
create new connection.
No, sir, I've sent you a new link in the chat. There he said, like, create a new user and go to users and
Uh,
privileges.
okay,
something
create
like that.
user. Okay, so I have to write in this one here. Okay. In workbench one.
Users and privileges.
Yeah, actually, no, I can't open that link. It's not showing me properly. So you have to tell me. So I have been over here only. Let's see. So you are saying write this, correct? Correct, no? This is only what I have to do.
I'm not able to open the link to, I don't know,
Okay.
suddenly the page.
Yeah, unable to from that link. Okay, it's giving error. Why? Let me write new comment.
It said when you're creating new user, go to some users and privileges page
It's created.
and give the,
Huh? Sorry, repeat again.
sorry, sir, even I forgot. I'm not able to open the link.
So
I
she's
can.
saying when you use the new user, uh, give the privileges to them too. So it will start. She's trying to tell that give privileges to the user also. So it will start. You have given the create user root identified by Yadav like that. Then give privileges also to that user. like
Yeah, I
that.
have given that before. Before that, what that only I was showing. But again, it's showing
Yeah.
the same thing.
But
So
now
you-
it
It was
is
that only. Bas.
created, right, sir? The root was created. It is showing now. Maybe try now.
You're saying let's create root now again. Let's try root.
It's not created. Create user root identified by 0 rows affected. The second time it did. See?
I think I'm getting it, but why I'm getting it. Okay, I
The
think
root is already been created. So
no, it
if you
can be
can you
one
try
thing.
again?
I think I know the problem. It can happen that it is unable to take my MySQL server pin. Okay, just 1 second and I will do that. Environment setting. Environment variable. Environment variable. Uh, uh, okay, I will just do this one also. Let's try one more time. Okay, I have said the thing which I need. Try it again. Okay. I think I was not having that. Same thing.
Hmm. Random exception.
If I'm able to access, no, I can do that.
So maybe it might be because of the import also. We are importing the different package. Retry the Java X persistence one.
Can I share my screen, sir? Once?
Yeah, yeah, you can. You're also getting hint.
No, I just want to show you the. Can you see it now?
Yes.
So this is what I saw. I
Yeah, I
was,
have seen this one.
okay,
Okay,
so this is not working.
this is
Mhm.
also.
Okay, I'll stop the share.
Okay, you have only given me that query, no? So let's run this
Mhm.
query also. Let's see. Where is the query? This one, no?
So we can't see your
Access
screen.
denied here. I have solved this error many times, but I know I'm not getting it. Long time no see. Let's see this again. This is the host user password. Host is localhost. Localhost. Root is password. Password set your password here. Okay. Root at the rate. I think over here I have to use localhost or percentage only.
Local host root at the rate for local host, because where
Let's see.
percentage was there, we change it to local host.
Uh,
Error code.
Correct. You're using insert, right? So I think host is localhost, user is root. Correct only, right, sir? Password is what you.
root at the rate localhost.
Yeah.
Host root. Password is this. Yeah, correct.
Everything's correct. Then why?
Like what you are saying, repeat again. Now let's try it again one more time. Okay, let's see.
So it gave an error, insert into user something.
Yeah, it gave error in the workbench.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this one. No?
Yeah, that one.
This one is this one is
It granted and then it gave error.
Okay, I'm using root 2 now.
Maybe if you remove password, then
Oh, no, it's not doing anything, I think. It's the same data source connection provider import. Hmm. So can we change the import to Java X persistence?
Oh, that is no problem. It will also work.
Okay.
Just give me 1 minute. I will solve it. Just reading one document.
Hmm.
Although you guys also search. Okay, just give me one more.
I was feeling sleepy, but this error. Meet me for a week.
I think in YouTube we have videos regarding this.
Again. So guys, now it's working. So the error is instead of name, you have to write username. Username will be root. And the second error was because of this. I was writing demo. I have to write SYS because I'm having SYS in my system. Okay, the database I'm having SYS. I'm not having any demo thing. Okay, so database is SYS. Okay, so I'm taking SYS now. Okay, so this is the thing. Now let's hit the API. Let's see it's working or not. Then we will do. Okay, so now I'm hitting the API. And see, I'm getting the pop-up over here. If you will come now, I'm seeing. I think you are not able to see this. Now can you see I'm over here? So inside method. I'm inside method or not? Can you see this?
Yes.
I'm inside
Yes.
method. Now using F9 you can go on. Now using F9 or F10, yeah. In STS I don't know how to move forward. F9, F8. Okay, F8. Okay, after F8, next line. So next line he is writing this because I have written debugger over here. Now I'm going over here. Okay. Now next line, I'm over here. Why? Because it's not present. No one is present with the mobile number or email. Okay, so I'm over here. So it is getting converted. So now it is getting saved. Okay, next line is I'm getting saved. So you can also see that also. Let me see. Where it got your debugger tool. This is called your debugger tool. No? Let me show you the variables also. You can see this. Yeah. Debugger shell. Console. Yeah, over here. No, this is also not. There is one more thing in which you can see the variables also. You can do. See, debugging is very important, but in Eclipse, no, also breakpoints, I think. Okay, no, it will show you the breakpoints, no, not breakpoints. Debugging now already have debugging shell. Expression, what is expression? There's something else. Error logging expression JUnit problem process terminal this. It's called debugging only. Debugger, let's try debugger. Debugger.
Yeah.
That's nice. Let's see F8. Okay, it's executed, guys. Okay, so debugging is over. So we have saved the thing. See, it's saved. Okay.
Yeah.
I have to see how to do that thing. There is one more thing I can do. Okay. Okay, it's not saved. It's in progress only.
Yeah.
F8. F8. Over here it is. F8, F9, F8, F7. You have to remove the debugger. Alright. F8, F8, 8. It's saved, but my debugger is over here. Debugger shell problem. No. Okay. Let me see, actually. It's saved. Let's see in a database. Yeah, it's saved. But in my Postman, it's still saying candidate request. Okay, but let's go in Workbench. Let's go to user. It's not saved. Okay, because my request is not done right yet. That's nice. Let me start normal one only. I will see the debugging. Okay, because STS I have not used them the debugging till now. Although I have to see again. Our deprecated. Then you okay, I have to use CJ1 now. I think I'm not using CJ1. CJ down. Yes. Okay. Now let's hit the request again, cancel the request, hit it again. Debugger नहीं कितना है? Okay, debugger is over here. Okay, I think I hit two times. Can you see success? True. Okay, so now if you will come over here, so it will show you that the value is saved now. Can you see 2 times I have saved the value, but email, mobile number, name, password is not saved. So tomorrow we will do debugging only. Let's see why it is not saved. Okay, I have to see how to debug although I have. Okay, there are. Okay, so now your API is working. Any doubt in API? Let's see the API is working fine.
Yes, sir, no doubt. But please upload the recording, sir. Today's mainly, because we got to do the postment also. That's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you guys are having doubts, no, let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Till
bye.
now, there's no doubt. If there would be, we'll tell you.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, guys. Have a good day.